size of this fucking thing. I haven't even said why I need these.
I got bronchitis. But seriously.
All right. Muffler delete by block. Not the best packaging. I'm pretty sure these come with a plastic protective layer on it. From any of the reviews I've seen, and this doesn't have it. So I'm assuming these have been opened before. Welds are okay. They're TIG weld. Not the best welds, but not the worst welds. There. You got your new hardware, gaskets. There'll be some stickers in there from blocks. There. So if you're in Canada, super fast shipping, fairly good prices, and it's all Canadian prices, so you don't have to worry about the conversion online. 17. So that's like 5 years of driving in Canada. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get the old bolts off. I'll take the other side off. Alright guys, so if you're doing that on a 4 or 5 year old car, make sure you have some WD-40 or some Deep Creek, because as a bitch, my knuckle hurts, my thumb hurts, but it's all good. Got your blocks racing. I don't know how much racing I'm going to do in a WRX, but hey. And then new bolts, because the other ones look like this. Bunch of junk. I'm going to use the old hangers. See when it's done. won any money yet.
All you guys have to do is like and subscribe and make some nice comments on that fine ass right there. And
Subscribe so I can put a full catback or turbo back exhaust on this thing. And get some real light covers instead of plastic dip. And get my wing and everything for it. Comment below if you want to see a WRX build. We'll make that happen slowly but surely. Hit that subscribe button to show me that you really care.
come on, guys, look at that. And look at that.
That's pretty good. That's a lot bigger than stock. So as you can see, it was a lot of work. Dirty face. You want to hit up Subi Supply Co. if you're in Canada. Get yourself some blocks, muffler delete. It's nothing big, just a muffler delete. But look at the size of the mufflers. Huge. Get those things off your car.